Time now for an in-depth look at the market news this afternoon, and for that I'm joined on the line by Dr. Kim Sei-wan, Professor of Economics at Ewha Womans University. Professor Kim, good afternoon. Thanks for coming on today.
Good afternoon, Devin.
Well, let's start with the Federal Reserve meeting this week, where they decided to keep interest rates at basically zero, and they haven't announced the start of tapering yet either, but they did say the economy's made some progress and that they're going to keep watching. Tell us about the Fed's comments on Wednesday.
As we have seen from previous report, U.S. Fed has decided to leave its key interest at current 0% level in today's FOMC meeting. Broadly speaking, it means that considering all circumstances of U.S. economy, the Fed has decided to focus on economic recovery rather than stabilizing inflation. As higher than expected inflation continues in June as of 5.4% on yearly basis, there were huge discussions and comments on raising key interest rate by the Fed. But Fed Chairman Powell officially confirmed that no decision has been made regarding tapering schedule, and the Fed is nowhere near considering plans to raise interest rates. He said in the statement Wednesday at the conclusion of their today meeting that the economy has made progress toward these economic goals, and that progress would be assessed in the coming meetings. That is I think, very important clue that Fed could announce plans to start reducing the purchases of the bonds later this year. The central bank's next meetings are scheduled for September and November.
Right, and as investors digested those comments on Wall Street, stocks were mixed on Wednesday, and earnings continue to come out there too. Tech stocks were higher though, with the Nasdaq up 0.7%. What's the story in global stocks?
There were mixed responses on Fed interest rate fixed decision in the U.S. market. Dow Jones, where big manufacturing firms are enlisted, declined by 0.4% in a day. But Nasdaq, where tech firms are enlisted, gained by 0.7%. Nasdaq's progress is supported by tech firms' great business performances in second quarter. And all European markets over London, Paris, and Frankfurt all gained over 0.3% in a day due to improve economic recovery signs from pandemic in Eurozone.
And speaking of great performances in the second quarter, earnings continue to come out here in Korea. And today the KOSPI, the main index, was up and down, but in the end closing a little higher. A nice gain, though, on the KOSDAQ. Tell us about the domestic market.
Domestic market continued 3 straight days rise, including today. KOSPI gained by 0.2%, and KOSDAQ also had 0.8% gain today. In morning session, the market dropped to negative return temporarily due to concerns on continuing inflation and level 4 social distancing enforced by Korean government. But market moved up to positive returns region in the afternoon as expectation of U.S. Fed's interest rate fixed today would delay Bank of Korea's interest rate hike in the fall. The rises were led by institutional investors in KOSPI market and foreign investors in KOSDAQ market, respectively.
And earnings were out today from Samsung Electronics, and it beat market expectations by a big margin, with operating profits of 12 trillion won for the second quarter. That's more than $10 billion, beating expectations by almost 20%. So the third quarter is looking good too. Tell us about Samsung's earnings and what we might expect for this quarter.
Samsung Electronics gave earnings surprise in second quarter's business performance today. According to Samsung, it had business profit of 12.5 trillion won and 63.7 trillion won of sales revenue in the second quarter. This performance is much stronger than previously expected. Memory chip sales recovered related to global PC and notebook sales increased over the coronavirus pandemic. And sales of home appliances and display also had decent increase in second quarter. but the mobile device sales and profit both declined as new product launching effect disappears in the second quarter. Even broadly, there is a positive expectations of Samsung's business performance in third quarter. There is also another expectation that says demand of memory chip, which is Samsung's major item, peaks sometime between third and fourth quarter this year as global demand saturates. If that is so, there is a possibility that Samsung Electronics stock price would stagger until the end of this year.
Well, finally, Professor, if we could talk about debt for a minute. Young people in their 20s and 30s have been borrowing money in this market to invest in all kinds of things from property to stocks and Bitcoin. And in fact, bank loans to young people in Korea in their 20s have doubled in the past 4 years. What do you say about young people taking on risk like this?
Korean young people in their 20s, bank loan doubled for the last 4 years. These young people loan increase is significantly larger than other age cohorts. According to government reports, bank loan to 20s increased up to 44 trillion won in first quarter of this year, from 16 trillion won 4 years ago. This young people's loan is used to finance their purchase of house, stock, and Bitcoins and every investment vehicle. Over coronavirus pandemic, there has been a strong fever on the stock market investment, particularly between young investors. Many young investors borrowed money from banks to finance their stock investment. Also, young people became very nervous about fast rising housing prices. So the mortgage loan to 20s increased up to over 31 trillion won this year, which also doubled compared to 4 years ago. These young people's behavior on bank loan is understandable because they have feeling of loss over less job opportunities and housing price up. But it should be clearly noted that stock investment by bank loan is very, very risky investment. Therefore, government's loan screening on young people's loans should be appropriately intensified to lessen young people's financial burden and risk in the future.
Yeah, that can, if things go wrong, it can set people back many, many years. Professor, thank you. That sounds like sage advice, and we always appreciate your insights. Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you very much.